You don't have a confidence problem. You have an identity problem. Every motivational speech, every power pose, every hype playlist you've tried has failed because you keep putting a new coat of paint on a crumbling foundation. In the next 30 days, we're not going to fix your confidence. We're going to tear down who you think you are and rebuild someone completely unstoppable. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is not what anyone else is teaching. Here's the brutal truth. Confidence is not a feeling. It is a conclusion. It's the conclusion your brain draws after collecting enough evidence that you are the kind of person who handles things. That's it. So when people try to feel confident before they act, they have it completely backwards. You act first. The feeling follows. This entire 30-day program is built on that one principle. Action creates identity, and identity creates confidence, not the other way around. Days 1 through 7. This week is about demolition. Every day, you are going to write down one story you tell yourself that is keeping you small. Things like, I'm not the type of person who speaks up. I've always been awkward in social situations. I don't deserve big opportunities. Write it down. Then write the counter evidence. Every time in your life that story was proven wrong, even once. You are not excavating the past to live in it. You are excavating it to expose the lies. By day 7, you will have identified 7 false narratives. That is 7 chains broken. Days 8 through 14. Your brain is a lawyer. It only believes what it can prove. So this week, you are going to give it evidence. Every day, you do one uncomfortable thing you would normally avoid. A cold call, a hard conversation, a workout when you don't want to, a public statement. It doesn't need to be massive. It needs to be real. Every night, write one sentence. Today, I proved I am the kind of person who blank. Fill in that blank every single day. You are not building confidence yet. You are building a case file. And by day 14, that file is getting thick. Days 15 through 21. 2 weeks in, you have demolished old stories and built new evidence. Now we stress test it. This week, the daily action is deliberately chosen to be something that scares you. Not dangerous, but socially, professionally, or personally uncomfortable in a meaningful way. Speak first in a meeting. Post your opinion publicly. Ask for the raise. Sign up for the class. Apply for the thing. The new identity you're building has to be tested under pressure, or it will crack the moment life gets real. Pressure does not break the new you. Pressure is exactly what sets it. Days 22 through 30. This is the final phase, and it's the one most people never reach because they quit in week 2. This week, your daily action is to show up as the new you, publicly and consistently, without waiting for permission or validation. You don't wait to feel ready. You don't wait for someone to believe in you first. You make decisions, speak, and carry yourself as if the transformation is already complete, because neurologically, it nearly is. By day 30, you will not recognize the person who started day 1, and that is exactly the point. Here is what every single one of your 30 days looks like in practice. Morning, spend 2 minutes reading your 7 dismantled stories from week 1. This is your reminder of who you are no longer. Then, spend 2 minutes reading your growing evidence file. This is your reminder of who you are becoming. Midday, take your one uncomfortable action. No negotiating, no postponing. Evening, write your 1-sentence proof statement. 5 to 6 minutes total of active work per day. That is all this costs. The return is a completely rebuilt identity. Most people waste more time than that deciding what to watch next. Here is what nobody tells you about identity change. It compounds. Day 1, the action feels forced. Day 7, it feels deliberate. Day 14, it feels like effort you choose. Day 21, it feels like momentum. Day 30, it feels like you. That is not motivation. That is neuroscience. Every repeated behavior carves a deeper groove in your neural architecture. You are not fighting who you are building who you will be. And after 30 days of consistent daily action, the new identity doesn't need willpower to maintain it. It runs on autopilot. That is the end game. Right now, before this video ends, make a decision. Not a plan, not a resolution, a decision. The kind where there is no backup option. Comment below with the words, "I am rebuilding." That is your public declaration. That is your day one action, starting right now. Subscribe to this channel. We are walking through 30-day transformation challenges that change the architecture of who you are. The new you doesn't start when you feel ready. The new you starts when you decide you're no longer willing to stay the same. That time is right now.